Happy Thursday, boys and girls. Today is our last day for this week, so make sure you have all your work completed so you'll be done. All right, first, go sign into Focus and press on the present button. That way you can get credit for being at school today. And then right now you're listening to the morning meeting video. Next, you're going to go to iReady and you're going to finish it up this week. It's big question number 3, complete read to write. So you're going to write me a little paragraph about what you've learned this week. Go take a little break, come back, and let's do some math. Go to Kahoot on Launchpad. Enter your code. Big shout out, yay, to Kevin and Caden. Woohoo! They finished their Kahoot, so they have no math today to do. After you're done with your Kahoot game, go take a little break, go eat lunch, go outside, play, come back, and be ready to take your week 26 social studies test. And I'm going to add a link on here to show you how to do, how to split your screen. So you can see on the left side, you'll have your social studies articles. On the right side, you'll have your test. So you can go back and find good answers and get an A+ today. So make sure you watch that little video. It's real simple and easy. You can do it. It'll be kind of like a little fun challenge for you too. All right, and then for science, you're going to go read your article again, and you're going to answer the questions in reading B, organizing a mess. Make sure you answer all the questions, submit it, turn it in for your science grade today. All right, and then you're going to go to activity teachers and choose an activity under music to do today. Take a picture, draw a picture, write a caption, share what you're doing. You can go to Google Classroom, and I have a little slide there, quarantine in 2020, to add your pictures, your drawings, your writings, anything you want to share with us. Important stuff to read. Go check out our checklist on the second slide. Let's see, here it is. What have you completed all your assignments this week? All your iReady lessons, all your iReady math, your STEM scopes, STEMpedia, reading science, organizing a mess. Did you answer all those questions? Studies weekly. You have to read your articles first, and then today is our test. And on Focus, did you push I am here today for Thursday? And down here are some challenges for you. This is our Kahoot challenge and mystery science. You can't see it right here because it's hiding, but down here is a mystery science. Mr. Doug had a little video for us this week that I thought you might enjoy. All right, so back to our what are we doing today? All right, so after you've checked, are you done with everything? You've got mail. Go learn how to check your email. Ms. Tagey, science activity teachers, Ms. Horn will be sending you some email in the weeks to come. And then remember, tomorrow, no school, but you got to get all your work done today. Make sure this list right here, everything's checked off so you can enjoy a 3-day weekend. All right, have a good day. Call me if you need anything. Here's my phone number right down here at the very bottom. Call, text me, any questions, any concerns, anything you need to know. All right, have a good day. Have a great 3-day weekend. We'll see you back here on Monday. All right, bye-bye. Love you. Have a great week.